We're gonna make mac and cheese. The first step is to put the salt in the water.
Keep it going.
The second step is to put the macaroni in the water and boil until it's soft. We have to stir it, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. The next step is to make the sauce. Now we're gonna melt the butter. Now it's time to melt the butter until it turns to liquid. Now we're going to make the roux by adding the flour. Now you mix it in to make a solid. Now we're going to cook the roux a little bit to cook through the flour. Now I'm going to turn the roux into white sauce. We need to whisk it until it becomes this thick. Now we're going to grate the cheese. We're going to use cheddar and red Leicester. Now I'm going to add the cheese to the sauce. Now we mix the cheese into the sauce. Now that the pasta's cooked, we need to drain it. Now the cheese is like this. We need to put the salt. Now we're gonna make mac and cheese by putting the sauce into the macaroni. Now we mix it in. This is a completed mac and cheese, but before we serve it to people, we need to put breadcrumbs and we need to put it in the oven. This is what's going to go in the oven. But remember, when you cook, you always need to do the washing up.